then walk. And if you can't walk, then crawl. But the choice to start is always in your hands. Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today, I, Cadet Lovish Chhabra, would like to deliver a TED talk on the topic, "Our choices makes us more freedom." The topic is relevant to all of us, as we all are at that stage of our life when we are required to make decisions, and the quality of our decision will decide our present and future. Understanding the power of choice is very crucial, as it determines our level of happiness, success, and fulfillment. But what exactly a choice is? It is simply a decision that we make by selecting one or two available options. It is that simple. But it is a choice only that differentiates winners from losers, doers from thinkers. If you have made a choice to achieve something great in your life, then it is your choice only to work hard for it that will make you successful. To make my point clear, I would like to share a story with you. This is a story of a man lost in the desert. In the scorching heat, he has ran out of water. While wandering there, and it was sure that if he ran out, he won't get water, he will surely die. While wandering there, he saw a small left hand. Not able to believe his eyes, he came closer to it. But on reaching there, he realized that nobody lives there. And it seems like it had been abandoned for a long time. But while noticing here and there, he saw a water fountain that seemed to have a pipe full of fluids, and which seemed to have deep roots there. He tried to pump out water from it, but it was of no avail. When he was about to give up, he saw a water bottle at one corner of the room. Just then, he was about to gulp down. He noticed a piece of paper attached to it. On the paper, it was mentioned that you should use this water bottle to start the pump and fill it when you are done. He got in a dilemma whether to use the water to start the pump or to drink it and save his life, because it was not sure that it will work or not, because it had been abandoned for a very long time. But he made a decision. He put that water into the pump, and after some time, it started working. At that time, there was no limit to his happiness. He drank water to his fullest, and even kept some for his future living. While leaving from there, he even wrote on that note, "Believe me, it works." It can be clearly seen that it is the decision of that man which saved him. Every day we make several decisions that become the deciding factor whether we will succeed or not. You yourself have noticed that whatever you are in your life now is just because of the decisions that you have taken in the past. You can even take the example of Bill Gates. From his childhood, Bill Gates had a great passion for technology, that even at the age of 30, he developed a program for traffic controlling and studying. But that was just the starting of it. He later on developed even more complicated programs. At that moment, Gates decided that he wanted to create a new operating system, as there has been a very large demand for it at that time. But for that, he needs dropouts from Harvard University. Leaving university was not easy for him. All of his family members opposed him and told him that it might destroy his future. But he took that decision. And later on, with his friend Paul Allen, he came to develop Microsoft Windows. His invention revolutionized the world, which made him billionaire at the age of 31. It can be clearly seen if Gates he will not be able to become fourth richest person in the world right now. Remember, life gives us every day a chance and a choice. But it is totally upon us whether we waste those chances by making bad decisions or just remain ignorant and take whatever life throws on us. If Warren Buffett had not decided to make investment at a younger age, he would not be able to become what he is meant. It is not like that every investment he made brought him profit, but his decision to learn from his mistakes and keep investing made him that rich. You can take example of any famous personality and you came to notice one thing common in all of them. That they have taken some key decisions that have made them whatever they are in their lives now. Here, in a sense, it can be said that we make our choices and our choices make us. I'm sure by now you all come to know the importance of decision making. But sometimes making a decision is not that easy. So here I would like to share some tips with you that will help in your life to make decisions. First, never make a decision in hurry. When you are taking big decisions, it's better to contemplate and think about all the choices that are in front of you. You should have proper knowledge about what you are choosing. Then only you will succeed. Second is to visualize the results of your choices. When you visualize the result of your choices and it delivers a positive outcome in your mind, then there are very large chances that you will make right choices. Third is to take a decision and stick to it. A decision is a commitment you make to yourself. If you remain stick to it, there is very less chances that you will regret it. The last is to trust your intuition. Trusting your intuition is like trusting yourself. Because you know yourself better than everyone else in the world. In conclusion, I would like to say that, remember, we all came into this earth. When we all came into this earth, we did not have anything. But the life we end up with is simply a sum total of all the choices we make